कोई प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई है कि मैं चाहता हूं कि अगर मेरे द्वारा लोग स्पोर्ट्स की।
Why did you choose Abhishek Bachchan as a Goodwill ambassador?
I'm sorry. मैं चले जाता हूं भाई।
I think, as I said earlier, Abhishek is probably one of the most vociferous and passionate fans in India. So for us, it's not just about, a celebrity adding or throwing a light onto the sport. It's about someone who's connected to it. And, if you're hearing him talk right now, it's infectious, right? You actually see how passionate he's about the game. So everything we do, and that's not just for the NBA, it's every sport, you have to have a passionate connect. And I don't think there's anyone more apt for that than Abhishek.
All right, guys, this will be the last question. So,
pleasant afternoon. बहुत अभिनंदन और शुभकामनाएं अभिषेक आपको।
अनेक धन्यवाद आपको सुमित। कैसे हैं आप?
जी। Can I ask Mr. Prasanna and then come back to you?
हाँ?
Can I ask a question?
Please.
Mr. Prasanna, what will be the format? Will you be following Mr. Abhishek day and night for the?
Not night, only day. Leave the night to me. Let me sleep.
Yeah.
I think I'll make very boring television if you just have me sleeping at night, no?
Yeah. So will it be a sort of reality show on Mr. Abhishek?
No, it's not. I'll answer that. It's not a reality show. It's more like documenting a kind of a video diary of sorts. मैं जहाँ जा रहा हूँ for the All-Star Weekend, Sumit, I'll have the crew with me and there'll be interviews and interactive sessions. So, like I said earlier, it'll be almost, I hope, that we manage to give the Indian NBA basketball fans as interactive and as personal an experience. So the idea is to hopefully allow them to feel that they're there in New York for the weekend.
अभिषेक, जैसे हमने और खेलों में देखा तो आप जो करते हैं तो उसका प्रभाव लोगों पे पड़ता है और वो उसके लिए प्रेरित होते हैं, ये सही बात है?
नहीं, इसलिए क्या?
जैसे आप और खेलों को देते हैं तो
जी देखिए, जैसे मैंने आपको हमेशा कहा है जब भी कोई प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई है कि मैं चाहता हूं कि अगर मेरे द्वारा लोग स्पोर्ट्स खेलें तो I'd love that. I think we managed to do a fantastic job with kabaddi and football. लेकिन मैंने ये भी हमेशा कहा है कि basketball has always been my first love. It's the sport I played, it's the sport I truly love and follow very, very passionately. And so I'm very happy that the NBA gave me this opportunity not only to go to the All-Star Weekend, but also to be a Goodwill ambassador, to speak about the sport. And I take it as a huge responsibility, and I'm very excited about it.
Abhishek, let me complete. जैसे आप celebrities वगैरह जो ऐसे promote करते हैं, do you think this has psychological and emotional effect on the viewers, not only viewers, fans, not only in Mumbai metropolitan cities, but बिहार में, यूपी में, उन लोगों पे भी affect पड़ता है?
The quest is to try and reach out to people. I think the NBA is still in its nascent stages in India. हालांकि बहुत सारे लोग बास्केटबॉल के बारे में जानते हैं, but it's not got as deep a penetration as say a football or cricket, for example. We're a cricket playing nation. But through NBA All-Star weekends with getting somebody that शायद there has to be a local connect also, Sumit. देखिए अगर हम हमारे बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर्स को यहाँ ले आए, if you get LeBron James and Kobe Bryant and you bring them here, बिहार में लोग नहीं जानेंगे कि ये दोनों लंबे कौन हैं. They might know अभिषेक बच्चन कौन है, they might. तो if they have a local connect and say अच्छा ये हमारे एक फिल्म अभिनेता हैं और वो बास्केटबॉल खेलते हैं और खेल रहे हैं लोगों के साथ, तो ये बास्केटबॉल क्या चीज है? So you help build a connect. So I think that is the difference. And as far as emotionally and psychologically, that I don't know. For me, sports has always been very emotional. But if through me they can connect emotionally with the sport, fantastic.
अभिषेक, मैं जो कहने की कोशिश करूं, जैसे आप जो celebrities होते हैं, जो express करते हैं, जो करते हैं, क्या responsibility भी आती है आपके साथ, उसके साथ कि आप क्या करें, कैसे करें, कहाँ करें, ऐसा?
जी देखिए, this is a very subjective question. ये सवाल, ये जो प्रश्न है, अगर आप मेरे colleague से पूछेंगे, शायद आपको अलग-अलग से जवाब मिलेंगे. लेकिन मेरा मानना है कि अगर मैं एक अभिनेता हूँ, I'm public property, I'm a public figure, so I have to conduct myself in public in a way that I do not let down the people that may be looking at me as an example. If you're a celebrity, I think it is your duty to behave responsibly and be responsible for that celebrity. But this is something that, different people have a different opinion on, and I respect that. Lekin mera manna hai that if you're going to be a public figure, then you're up on a public stage, then you have to behave accordingly.
All right, I'm sorry, with that we come to the end of the Q&A session.
What is that?
Hey, as I said,
Huh? What?
all right,
No, I can't hear, sorry. Huh? 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 Are you allowed to say that on television? Okay.
as
huh.
sorry to cut you guys in.
No,
I'm
let
so-
me just, yeah. मैं सोच समझ के नहीं करता हूँ मैं सोच समझ के I conduct myself in a way and it is not a thought out process. It is not something that I strategize about. But I firmly believe, because that is the way I've been brought up, that if you are going to be a celebrity, then you're going to be setting an example. So you should do what you think according to you, and your principles and morals is correct for you. And like I said, everybody has their own approach, and it's a free country, it's a democracy. You're allowed to think whatever you want. This is my personal, very personal opinion.
Thank you very much. With that, we come to the end of the question answer session.